everybody, welcome back to my channel for day 5. The last 2 days haven't been that exciting on my vlog channel, but it's cool. This day, and today we're making roasted pumpkin seeds. So I carved my pumpkin obviously last minute on Halloween, like 2 hours before trick-or-treaters, and I decided to keep all of the pumpkin seeds because I wanted to try and roast them. I don't know if it's really gonna work, but we're gonna give it a shot. One thing about me is that I love DIY, like cooking stuff and trying things from scratch. So we'll try to do that. So my pumpkin seeds are here. I'm literally just gonna pour them out over this towel that I placed down. For whatever reason, these are not drying as well as I was hoping they would. So what we're gonna do is we're going to put them on the pan and just roast them a little longer, maybe like 15 minutes to like try and dry them out, and then we're gonna season them and see how that goes. So this could be an epic fail. Regardless, this is all I have planned for today. Pro tip, don't open the oven and immediately stick your face in it. I'm like, literally got me, guys. But in other news, these are drying better, so there's that. Okay, good news, they are dry, perfect. So, look at them, they're dry. I just put them in there for like 15 minutes on 350. They're still like a little bit wet, but not nearly like what they were. I don't necessarily have a recipe for it, but this is what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna use a little bit of olive oil. Ooh, olive oil. Just a little bit. Morton salt. Okay. Cinnamon. And some sugar. And we're gonna throw them back in the oven. Throw them back in the oven. Those look so good. All right, let's. You hear that crunch? So good. Oh my God, so good. Oh my God, they're so good. Sweet, salty, delicious. No, just joking. Once again, guys, thanks for coming to day 5 of my 30-day challenge. If you like this video, make sure that you do like it. And if you do want to see the rest of my 30-day challenge, make sure that you do subscribe. I know today's video wasn't the most exciting one, but these are really freaking good, so. Hey, all man. Have a great day. See you tomorrow. They're really freaking good. They're really good.